beach was calm as Garam Araram and Madu Dung Dung enjoyed their walk. Until out of nowhere.
If you ever see red water in the sea, don't swim in it. Recently, videos of beaches turning red have been blowing up on social media, and many people rush to swim there without knowing the danger. But why is it so dangerous? I'll tell you, but if you know how to swim, tap the like button, click subscribe, then remix, and the option at the top, and you will see something amazing. When red algae spreads across the surface of the ocean, the water turns completely red. This phenomenon is called a red tide, and if you dive in, your skin can start to burn intensely. How many times did I say red? If you ever see red water in the sea, don't